Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix crashes on Epic Games using a PC in simple steps. Let's get started. Restart your Epic Game Launcher, close it completely including the system tray icon and reopen it. Sometimes a simple restart fixes temporary issues. If that didn't help, right click on your Epic Game Launcher icon. After that, select Run as Administrator. This gives the app full permission which can prevent crashes. Next, verify games files. Open Epic Game Launcher app. Now select on library. Find the game that crashes. Click the three dots. After that, click on manage and select verify. Epic Games will check for missing or corrupted files and fix them automatically. Next, update your graphics drive and Windows. Outdated drivers or system updates can cause crashes. Update your graphic card drivers and make sure Windows is fully updated. Make sure Epic Game Launcher and the game are allowed through your firewall and antivirus. Disable VPN temporarily as they can interface the game connection. And that's it. Restart the launcher, run as admin, verify files, update drivers and check firewall or VPN. These steps should fix crashes on Epic Games. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.